A few weeks ago, I bought a new bar of soap, a popular one with a rich, unmistakable neem fragrance. The first few times I used it, the smell filled the whole bathroom. Every time I stepped in for a bath, that fragrance welcomed me. But soap wears down. As the days passed and the bar grew smaller, I noticed something. By the time it reached half its size, the fragrance had almost completely faded. The soap still worked, it still cleaned, but that beautiful smell that once filled the room was gone. I think a Christian's walk with God can look a lot like that soap. When we first accept Christ, we are overjoyed. We serve Him eagerly day in and day out, full of gratitude for our salvation. But as time passes, life happens. Burdens pile up, questions arise, doubts creep in, and slowly, without us even noticing, the fragrance of that first love for Christ begins to fade. This is exactly why we need Scripture, to draw us back to the love we had at the beginning, when we were first redeemed and given new life in Him. The psalmist David understood this. After his own failure, he did not just ask for forgiveness, he asked for something more. He prayed, "Restore unto me the joy of thy salvation." My friend, as you start this day, think back to when you first accepted Christ. Has your walk with Him grown, or has it quietly faded? If it's fading, remember, forgiveness is only one prayer away. God is gracious and just, and He is waiting for your cry. Will you ask Him today to restore the joy you once had?